Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am good. Hopefully my little shining stars are also enjoying good health. Dear students, it's time to do a guided assessment. So please open your Oxford International English Student Anthology Book 1. Topic of the comprehension is Tiny Dining. So please write day-date classwork on page number 64. Before starting the lesson, read learning objective with me. Can I revise the topic as a guided assessment? Read the title of the poem with me, that is Tiny Dining. It is on page number 64. What's the name of the title? Tiny Dining. Repeat it again. You are right. Can you hear something special about these two words? Yes, they rhyme. All of you know that rhyming words have same ending sounds. And its example is here. Tiny, dining. Do you remember any other rhyming titles for an animal poem? They might be Fatty Catty, Lucky Ducky, or Quick Chick. Is it so? Okay. Now let's read the comprehension poem with me that's written by Tony Mitton. Dear, oh dear, oh what shall I do? There's a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe. Her teeth are sharp and her head's like a rock. When I put my foot in, she chewed my sock. Her skin is rough and her tail is long, and her ripply muscles are ever so strong. And I want to go out, but what can I do with a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe? Can you name the animal the poet is talking about? Can anyone? Yes, it is a dinosaur. Now, read the poem again with me and focus on each sentence. Dear, oh dear, oh what shall I do? Here the first sentence is finished. It's an asking sentence. Poet is asking, what shall I do? But why is he asking this? Actually, he is asking solution for his problem. Let's read the next line to know about that. There's a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe. He has a tiny little dinosaur in his shoes. That's why he is in trouble. Circle the word dinosaur. This is the correct name of the animal to whom we are talking about. What's the meaning of tiny? Tiny means very small. Tiny and little are the adjectives that are telling us that how small the dinosaur is. And where is the dinosaur? It's in the shoe of the poet. Come on, the next stanza. Her teeth are sharp and her head's like a rock. Dear students, nouns are naming words. So the body part of anything, person or animal are nouns. In this sentence, teeth, head and rock are nouns. And what type of teeth the dinosaur have? Yes, she has sharp teeth. Look at the picture. Can you see her small sharp teeth? Sharp is an adjective. The poet is resembling his head to a rock. That his head is just like a rock. Perhaps it is as hard as a rock. Look at the picture to confirm it. Now have a look on the next line. When I put my foot in, she chewed my sock. The poet is telling us that whenever he tries to wear the shoe, the dinosaur starts chewing his sock, and it's really very painful. In this sentence, put and chewed are second form of verbs. Can you identify the nouns? Yes, foot and sock are the nouns. Now come on, third stanza. Her skin is rough and her tail is long, and her ripply muscles are ever so strong. What type of skin she has? She has rough and uneven skin. And what about her tail? It is very long. Now look at her muscles in the picture. Muscles are the fleshy part of the body that help the animals to move. And ripply is an adjective. It means having a strong muscular body or shape with little fat, like a bodybuilder. All right. The poet is saying that she has sharp teeth, rough skin, long tail, and strong ripply muscles. Now we will read the last stanza. And I want to go out, but what can I do with a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe? The poet wants to go outside to wear his shoes, but he is confused that what should he do with that little dinosaur? Because it doesn't come out from his shoe. Do you get the poem? Okay, then tell me which body parts of the dinosaur we have discussed. We discussed about her teeth, head, skin, tail, and muscles. All these words are nouns. And the words that are describing these nouns are called adjectives. For example, sharp, sharp teeth, rough, rough skin, long, long tail, strong and ripply muscles. These are adjectives. Is everything clear to you? Very nice. Now it's time to do the classwork. Are you ready? Open your language notebooks, and if you don't have the notebooks, no need to worry about it. Take a loose sheet, write day, date, and the topic, tiny, tiny. You will answer the given questions. Question number 1 is, what word does tiny mean? You will write the meaning of tiny here. Question number 2 is, where did the dinosaur live? In the answer, you will write the name of the place where the dinosaur was living. Question number 3 is, what did she chew? You will tell the name of the thing that the dinosaur chewed. Question number 4 is, read the sentence carefully and write down nouns and verbs from it. The sentence is, when I put my foot in, she chewed my sock. You will read this sentence attentively. Find out 2 nouns and 2 verbs in this sentence and write on the given lines. Got it? Now come on, question number 5. and list 4 adjectives that are describing the dinosaur in the poem. In this poem, there are 6 or 7 adjectives, but you have to write only 4. Okay? You will try to do this work by yourself because I have explained everything to you. So be confident while doing your work. Okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.